So today we are unboxing the BenQ 27-inch IPS panel 1080p display. We ordered it from Amazon.com, or rather .in. So seems to be a nice packaging, and inside that we have the product box. Let's see. Okay, so on this we have written it's BenQ model number GW2780. It's a 27-inch flicker-free IPS panel LED backlit monitor, computer monitor. It has the HDMI VGA ports in it, and it's a full HD resolution 1920 by 1080p. It's written, this much information written on the side of the box. On the other side it's just a barcode and some information. On the opposite side it has the same information as the other side. And let's check out the remaining side. Okay, we have the couple of barcodes on it. Okay, let's unbox it. Put it on a side like this. Then take that out. Let's take it this way. It will come out on the table only. Okay, so these are the things which are into the box. So let's see. So this is, the HDMI cable. It has the normal power cord. This is the base. So this is the base, and this is the attachments to connect the monitor to the base. Okay, let's take this out, put this aside, and let's see the actual unit. Okay. So this is the actual unit. Okay, so let's open all the things which are there in the box. So this is the HDMI cable. Okay, this is the attachment to the stand. This is the actual base of the stand. has the matte finish on it. Okay, then there is the power cord. Okay, and there is one driver CD from BenQ and one online warranty card. Okay, so this is the actual unit. So we can see it's 27-inch. It's a really big display. It has the BenQ written on it, and below that it has the this is the adaptive brightness sensor, which it detects the light of the room, and as per that it controls or adjusts the brightness of the actual monitor. And at the side it has a speaker. So here we can see the speaker are down, and we have the 5 control buttons. We will see, seems like the white one is of power. So let's see what's on the beneath. Okay, so here we can see the BenQ is written there, and here are the ports. Let's see what are the ports available here. So we can see VGA port is here. So VGA, one HDMI port is there, one DP port, display port, one audio, mic and headphone jack. So here it is written, this one is T, that is DP, this one is HDMI port, this one is the DP port, this one is VGA port or D sub, this one is the line in and the headset, and here is the slot for power cable, and both of the speaker goes down. So it has the stereo speaker on it, and it has the very good finish over it, like a matte finish, kind of a good texture on it. Also it has it is VESA ready. These you can hang it on a wall using the VESA port. So this monitor is VESA compatible. Okay, so let's make the connection of this, the base and the connector to it. So it has the screw which we need to attach. You don't need the screwdriver to fit it, and our base stand is ready. Like this. Okay, now let's attach the stand to the monitor. So you just have to slide this, and very simple. And this is how we assemble the monitor. Assembly is pretty much neat and simple. Okay, so we have attached the cable to it. So here goes the HDMI cable, and here goes the power cable. So the cable management is like we can take all the cables from this socket, and can manage these underneath the space given in inside the stand, and can take all the cables from here. So the cables will not be dangling around the monitor. All the cables will be hide behind the monitor, and then we can cover up this using the cover provided, so that the cable will be invisible. Okay, so let's start the monitor. After starting, it shows the BenQ logo, and it will show the message no cable connected, as no cable is right now connected here. Okay, so finally we started the monitor. We attached to it to my laptop as the external monitor, and as it is 1080p, the clarity is pretty much good, and the stand and the monitor is pretty much stable. The speakers has very low volume. The viewing angles are also okay.